While this double slider window might be smaller than yours, this demonstration should be helpful for any size slider window. To be removed for cleaning. Unlock the window. Although uncommon, some slider windows tilt in for cleaning. Look for a latch at these two locations. If your window has latches, it cannot be removed as shown in this video. There will be hinges here, and the window will swing in like a door. I have a video that shows how to operate that kind of window. Look in the box below this video to find a link to it. Be aware that large double pane windows may be heavy. A second person may be required to handle the window sashes. Slide the window sash open a bit and then try to lift it. If it won't lift, some windows have a stop in this upper channel. You'll have to slide the window farther, and then you'll be able to lift it up and out of the frame. The other window comes out of the frame in the same fashion. Slide it open, past the stop if you need to, and then lift it up and out. I also have a video that shows how to remove window screens. Look for a link to that in the box below this video. Don't forget to clean the rollers on the bottom of the sash. This is a single slider window. The left pane is fixed and the right sash is the only one that can be removed. The sashes reinstall the way they came out. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name and know how now to find other videos. And thanks for watching.